and I want to start with a very simple question. Can you understand English? I think yes, you can understand, but can you speak English? Maybe not so easily, not fluent, right? You understand everything, but when you open your mouth, nothing comes out, or your voice shakes, or your mind goes blank. This happens to millions of people in India every single day. And today, we are going to talk about why this happens and more importantly, how to fix it. So stay with me, this episode is for you. Let me ask you something. How did you learn English in school? You read books, you memorized grammar rules, you wrote answers in exams. But did anyone ask you to speak? Probably not. In most Indian schools, you can say 95% of schools, English is taught like a subject. Math, science, SST, EVS, any subject. But not like a language. But English is not a subject. You don't have to remember rules. It's a language. And this is the biggest problem. Think about how you learned Hindi or your mother tongue, any mother tongue. Telugu, Tamil, Nepali, any language. Did you study grammar first? No. You just listened, you repeated. You made mistakes, you tried again, and slowly you could speak. This is how every language works. But with English, we did it completely different. We studied grammar, we memorized words, we never spoke. So now you know English in your head, but not in your mouth. Now there is another problem, a bigger problem, fear, which everyone has. When you try to speak English, what happens inside you? Your heart beats fast. You think, what if I make a mistake? What if people laugh at me? My English is not good enough. And you stay silent. But here is the truth. Every single person who speaks English fluently today made thousands of mistakes, every single one, including me. Jack Ma, one of the richest men in the world, his English was not perfect, but he speaks with full confidence every time. Sundar Pichai, the CEO of Google, he is from a small city in Tamil Nadu. He did not grow up speaking English at home, but today he speaks in front of the whole world. The difference between them and you is not talent. The difference is they were not afraid to make mistake, to get judged. So what is the solution? It is very simple but not easy. You have to start speaking every day little bit. You're thinking, but I don't know enough words. You don't need thousands of words to start. You only need 500 or 600 simple words to have a normal conversation. That's it. Think about small children. A 3-year-old child speaks maybe 200 words and they communicate everything they need. So the words are not the problem. The speaking habit is the problem. Here is what I want to do starting today. Every morning, just 5 minutes, talk to yourself in English. In front of a mirror or in the shower or while walking. Just describe your day. Simple sentences. Today is Monday. I woke up at 7. I had tea. The weather is hot. That's it. 5 minutes. Do this every single day. After 30 days, you will feel a difference. I promise. Now let me tell you about this podcast. Every episode we will have a conversation. Simple and slow. I will speak clearly. I will not use difficult words. If I use a new word, I will explain it immediately. You can listen while doing anything, walking, cooking, traveling. Every episode will teach you something useful, not just English words, but ideas, stories, life lessons. Because I believe when you learn interesting things, you learn fast. This podcast is not just about English, it is about becoming a better version of yourself. Better words, better you. So, that is our first episode. Thank you so much for listening. If this helped you, please share this with one of your friend. Just one friend who also wants to improve their English. That is all I ask, and I will see you in the next episode. Until then, keep speaking, keep growing. This is Better English Buddy. Goodbye.